second, cuz. I want to tell you what is and what was. Take it easy. Slow it down. Relax. Get yourself unwound. It's me, Louis, King Sublime. I lay it on your ear about some friends of mine. That's them there. Ain't no big hurry. Mowgli's the skinny one. He's not so furry. Baloo likes food, and this bears repeat. If he hasn't ate it, it's not worth eating. And there's another crazy cat to boot. Bagheera is the one in the black velvet suit. Yeah.
Shoulder pump, rump thump, arm slam, hip bam. Noogie, noogie, noogie. Ha 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 ha. Gotcha.
Oh, there's no time for this. The boy must be got back to a man village. I don't think you appreciate the importance of this situation.
Oh, what kind of thing is that to say? Me not appreciate the importance of... Hey, race it to the rock.
Sure, Baloo.
Please do slow down. I'm not as young as I used to be.
Baggy, you never were.
A bit on the skinny side of scrawny, but you do. Look into my eyes, man cub.
What do you think? I'm too irresponsible to look after him?
Don't forget lazy, shiftless, and...
Mowgli! Watch that guy. With Ka, what ain't mouth is stomach. And remember, law of the jungle number 1. If it sees you before you see it, it's gonna eat you.
Oh, the man cub is simply unprepared. He won't stand a chance against Shere Khan.
I'm not afraid of any old tiger.
Yeah, Baggy's right. Old Khan's a eat first, ask questions later kind of guy, if you know what I mean. He wasn't always. Used to be we were almost kind of sort of friends a long, long time ago.
Of course, Bagheera still wanted the boy back with his own kind, but Baloo, he wasn't done teaching yet.
I'll take care of him. I'll keep him on the right path. I can do it.
You think so?
I know so.
Then where is he?
What? Where's who? Mowgli! Hey! Don't put that boy in your mouth! You don't know where he's been!
How's that? What's that? Boy, something. Good heavens, it's a boy! What are you trying to do, Baloo? Poison me? Oh, he meant no harm, Colonel.
Yeah, give the little guy a break, will you? You used to be a kid, too, in case you forgot.
I am an elephant, sir. I'll never forget. Back in '88 it was, when I had... was it '89? Of course I recall being a child. It was actually one of the high points of my early years. It was a time of great... well, enough of this game back down.
Law of the jungle number 2. If it's 5 times bigger than you and weighs 3 tons more, it's gonna eat you.
It will be a miracle if the child survives your survival lessons.
Oh, the kid's just gotta learn to look before he goes sleeping. Same as you had to learn.
Who? Me?
Yeah, you.
Where are we, Papa Bear?
Well, Mowgli, well, I reckon we're roughly south-southeast of, you tell him, Baggy.
We're just where we shouldn't be. In Khan's part of the jungle.
I'm not scared.
Jungle number 3. If it looks like a tiger, sounds like a tiger, and acts like a tiger, it's gonna eat you. Now come on, Khan. Why do you want to hurt the kid?
Why not?
Now look, we helped you out of some jams when we were kids. You owe us.
Oh, Baloo, the past is the past.
Carl, we once saved your skin.
Yeah, you gotta give us one in return.
I've no idea what you're talking about.
Well, then let old Blue refresh your memory.
Enough chatting. I really can't think on an empty stomach. Come, child. Let's eat.
Mowgli, heads up! Noogie, noogie, noogie. Gotcha.
Look at him go.
Well, now, we handled that fine, didn't we, Baggy? See, there's no reason for the kid not to stay.
You really mean it, Blue?
The boy belongs in a man village.
Oh, you never admit when you're wrong.
I would, if I ever were.
Oh, boy, the panther with an anther for everything.
If you knew what I know, you'd...
I'd be as boring as you.
Well, this, my friends, is where it all ends. Course the junk's full of stories from all the categories. Mowgli to Baloo, me and back here are two. From now till noon, zebra to alligator. But hey, we can talk about them later. Later. Hip this up the dippity up the dip a dum boing. Up the dot dot dot. Zippity pop pop pop. Papa chaka. Poopa tika duck. Zoom dip up dip on the bip bop 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 bop. Wow. The baba dip dip bop zip.